So in this video, I want to cover some high-paying job leads for you guys. Some jobs here at Target, really good high-paying job leads. They come with some really good benefits as well. They're all remote, and also Netflix is hiring for remote positions with really good high-paying jobs, also really good benefits. So these are some of the jobs I want to cover in today's video. Also, before I get into that, I want to cover some other remote work from home jobs that will be a bit easier to get into. So no college degree required, no experience, no interview. At the most, you may be required to do some assessments and be able to pass some type of assessments, but that's about it. Also really flexible, part-time or full-time, or you could fit these around whatever schedule you have right now. So one place to find these type of jobs would be Welocalize, and currently they have a lot of jobs in their AI community. So you could be working as a AI data annotation specialist. That's one job that you could look into. Also a AI response evaluator, also entry-level AI data rater. You could also be working as a QA linguist. Also, you could be working as a junior quality coordinator, a search quality rater, also a scout search quality rater, and they also have ads quality rater positions here as well. Again, most of these jobs won't require any experience and you can get in very easily. So we could take a look at one here, one in English for the United States. And as you can see, most of these jobs are in different countries, so location isn't really a problem. Now, in a position like this, you'll be using your gifts of understanding people's intentions to improve the online search engine experience. The main goal here is to develop and augment AI data, and so you'll provide subjective and objective ratings based on project rules and conventions. Now, this job is a part-time job with only up to 29 hours per week, but you can set your own schedule, so you can do this whenever you want to do so. And they do give some benefits and also the requirements, no mention of having a college degree or any experience. All you need for this job is to have excellent online research skills, strong understanding of popular culture in the United States or whichever country you're applying from, reliable computer system and high-speed internet connection, reliable antivirus software, ability to follow instructions and comply with the project rules as expected by the client. And that's about all you really need for a job like this. So you could find a ton of these jobs on Welocalize, and this is how you could start making some money very quickly. Also, they do have regular careers here. For example, they have one job here right now, a legal business development director, and of course other positions here. Most of these are going to be remote or hybrid, but they won't all be in the United States. So again, if you're watching from overseas in another country, you still may be able to find a full-time job here. For example, international SEO content and search specialist in Spain, Romania, Greece, and other countries, technical SEO manager outside the US as well. And these jobs are fully remote. And these jobs are actually paying very well. So for example, we could take a look at this one right here, legal business development director. So this job is actually going to be paying up to around $120,000 per year. So salary range is anywhere from $95,000 to $120,000 per year. So really good high-paying job lead here, and you can find a lot more of these high-paying job leads on Welocalize. So that's one place for you guys to look. Now, secondly, another company that is hiring right now would be IQVIA. Hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. So this is also going to be another fully remote work from home job position, resource management analyst. And in this job, or the only downside here is they didn't actually list a salary for this position, but this is going to be one of those higher paying remote work from home job positions. As for skills or requirements for this job, you don't necessarily need to have a college degree. I mean, there was no mention of that here, but you do need at least 1 year of experience in staffing or resource management or some other related role, ideally in a professional services environment. Strong written and English skills, proven problem-solving skills with strong attention to detail, ability to build strong business relationships and influence, ability to demonstrate determination, ability to rapidly assimilate multiple types of information, proficiency in Microsoft Office and knowledge of life science would be a plus for this position. I'll leave the link down below for anyone that is interested. Is another really good high-paying job lead here. Also, you guys could be working as a senior business analyst at ManTech. This is another remote position, but this one is inside the United States, so you'll have to be in the US for this job. And the senior business analyst here will be gathering requirements, converting requirements into workable product backlog items, receive and respond to support requests and problems in help desk tickets, assist in quality management reviews, development of training materials, user guides, testing documents, and release notes, and also demo functionality to end users and customers. In this job, they're looking for someone that does have a bachelor's degree in a technical discipline, and also 4 years of related work experience, or if not, then just having the equivalent of work experience would be good enough for this position. And in this job, it is paying up to $145,000 per year. So this is another high-paying job lead right here. So if you are interested in working as a senior business analyst, I'll leave the link down below for this position as well, where you guys can definitely go ahead and apply. Also, another position here is a senior manager for customer advocacy. This is at Samsara. And in this job, this is also going to be another high-paying job lead here. So for this one, it is paying up to $167,000 per year, ranges anywhere from $110,000 up to $167,000 per year. And for this position, the ideal candidate will have experience scaling customer advocacy or reference programs globally, also familiarity with advanced technologies, and proven success in overseeing or coordinating large-scale customer events, conferences, or similar initiatives to amplify customer stories and strengthen relationships. As for qualifications for a job like this, minimum requirements do include 10 plus years of experience. And also, this job didn't really, there was no mention of having a college degree, so they're looking for someone with a lot of experience. But this is another high-paying job lead that you guys may still be interested in. Also, another job that you guys could look into right now is working as a UKG implementation consultant. And in this role, this is what you'll be doing. So you'll collaborate with project managers and client teams to understand business needs and design system solutions. You'll also configure, build, test, and deploy UKG-ready functional components, document configuration details and recommendations to keep clients informed, help clients navigate risk and challenges by proactively identifying and addressing issues. And this is who they're looking for. So someone that has UKG-ready core HR, payroll, or time attendance certification, also 1 to 2 years of hands-on UKG-ready implementation experience, background in professional services or consulting, ability to manage multiple projects in a fast-paced environment, team player, excellent communication skills, ability to work independently while staying adaptable and also dependable. And to give you that edge, if you do have 3+ years of experience, that would be better. Also, if you do have all the UKG ready certifications and HR or payroll industry certs, that would be good as well. And also, if you have any experience working as a business analyst or project manager, then that would give you that competitive edge with this position. Again, this is a fully remote position. And for this one, you could work inside the US or in Canada. Only downside, no salary was listed here, but this is definitely gonna be one of those higher paying job leads. Now, as for remote work from home jobs at Netflix and Target, they're usually hiring remotely. So for Netflix, you could go over to their careers page and you could type remote and search, and this will bring up all the current remote positions they have open right now. So some of the most recently posted positions would include, for example, a senior engineer manager. And in this position, they're paying up to $1.2 million per year. The range here is $480,000 to $1.2 million per year. So if you guys are interested in this role, you could apply. As for what you'll be doing in this job, they're looking for an experienced senior leader with a passion for building large-scale distributed systems, and you would be leading and growing a team of engineering managers and engineers to evolve and implement a cohesive strategy that underpins all cloud usage at Netflix. So very high paying job lead here. Now this is the most recent job here at Netflix. For the other positions that are posted here, they're a bit older, so you may not want to apply for some of these because they've been out for quite some time. So this is the most recent position, but from time to time, they do have a lot of really good remote positions here. So this is one place to check. Also at Target, you could go on their careers page and you could filter by remote jobs. And right now they have a senior admin assistant, and this is eligible for remote work. And this job is paying up to $43 per hour. They have a senior business partner, which is also eligible for remote work, and this is paying up to $128,000 per year. They also have a senior manager for data analytics, which is paying up to $203,000 per year. So a lot of really good remote work from home jobs here. I mean, we could take a look at the first one, senior admin assistant, paying anywhere from $23 to $43 per hour. So in this job, this is what you'll be doing. You'll support multiple leaders and demonstrate a keen ability to think critically in a fast-paced environment. Also, you'll offer a level of service that goes above and beyond the basics. You'll manage multiple priorities and processes while staying up to date in an ever-changing retail marketplace. And the requirements for this job: don't need a college degree. I mean, it would be preferred if you do have one, but it's not required. The only thing that is required is a high school diploma or the equivalent, and then 2+ years of administrative experience or any similar experience that you do have. Strong verbal and written communication skills, flexible, resilient, and nimble, accountable with a high degree of initiative, exceptional ability to prioritize, high attention to detail, and that's about it that you need for this job. So a really good high-paying job lead here, again paying up to $43 per hour, and you do get a ton of benefits, and they're more higher paying job leads that you could find on Target's careers page right now. So I'll leave the links down below for all these jobs. So jobs at Target, jobs at Netflix, also job here at JobWorkX, jobs at Samsara, at ManTech, and also at IQVIA. Hoping I'm pronouncing that correctly. And don't forget Welocalize, which has a bunch of really good beginner-friendly entry-level type of jobs that you guys could apply to. So hopefully these will help you to land a higher paying remote work from home job, or if not, then at least help you to land your very first remote work from home job opportunity. As always, all the best, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.